Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck is going on? Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Oh my god. Holy moly. Wait. Wow. Hi guys. Also, Lex, how are you? And it's my affiliate anniversary. Wait, today? Today is, oh, you guys can't even see. Java? Yeah. I don't remember how to stream. I also have my right now. You guys are gonna laugh. So I may or may not have been hitting Windows key because I'm trying to I have to be very careful about what I'm and what just happened. Oh my god. For Android or Minecraft? Oh, for work. For am I how um I may or may not have lost all of my I work like 7 hours on. So the plan today I was originally going to building a in Java, but now you guys get to look at the top of my head um and yeah, because I lost all of my test cases that I wrote. I lost yeah, I lost everything. Oh, there. And then obviously I can't it's yeah. Yeah. Also, I'm eating an expired dessert because I forgot it was in the fridge and it's all the way from Japan and I don't want to let it go to waste. A month. My voice is cutting out. Is this a little better? Like, I don't know what's going on with my settings. I haven't streamed in so long that OBS logged me out. So expect a stuff stream today, God. Stuff stream, cause not gonna lie, I was supposed to be on 30 minutes ago, and as you can imagine, my panic. But yeah, yeah, I'm, yeah. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Let me just make sure my other code still compiles. Good dough. Ooh, how is that so far? Also, I have to admit, I can see my screen. Like normally, I don't see myself. I have like a whole bunch of different windows open. I'm working on a different computer right now. Like I don't have so many windows open, and oh my gosh, having myself in the background is really unnerving. It's very, but I think I am enjoying Java. As you can see, I figured out how to make it work on VS Code. But yeah. Thanks guys. I don't even know, like, is today my affiliate anniversary? Or is it just like letting you guys know it's coming up? Because I didn't even know that it was my affiliate verse today. Funny. It's been a while. All doing. Wait, that's not what I wanted. Thanks so much. Of course, it's my affiliate anniversary on my Scuff stream day. Oh my goodness. And you guys are seeing close up. Okay, so I am going to hopefully. Okay, that is safe. So that one is safe. That is. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Hi, Pearson. I'm crashing out right now, Pure Sizzle. I will admit. I will admit. I need it for work. Crashing out, Pure Sizzle. I spent like 7 hours on code the past like 2, and then I committed, and I must have done something when I committed, and all of my code is gone because it committed the wrong like my old code or something. I don't know, and it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's all gone. It's gone. Hi, Roy. Hi, Project. No, that's what I just spent. No, no, no. So my fault. I was not committing. I was not committing. And then that was my first commit, and yep, poof, poof. But I look at it this way. I look at it this way, guys. It will ingrain. So obviously I can't show you the code, but it will ingrain what I really needed to know, because the file that is missing is the thing that I told my mentor, like, I need to work on this. This is what I need to work on. So, ta-da! Yeah, no, I went through all of the Git logs and stuff like that, and Claude was like, "Yeah, your code's there," and I was like, "No, it's not. It's not there." And it was telling me, "Yeah, it's telling you that the file is right there. Do cat, and you should see it." And I'm like, "No, it's giving me the missing code." No, it's okay. It's okay, guys. You just won't get to see code tonight, but I figured Odinger's code. But I figure, uh, it's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. I just need to fix a whole. Apart from this, what would I do? What do you mean, Roy? I would actually build a game in Java. Yeah. I would build, like I spent I think this week, as you guys can see, VS Code, I figured out, and it really wasn't that hard, how to write Java on VS Code where it will. So hopefully we do that next time. But tonight you guys get to look at the top of my head. That sound good? Yeah. um, I'm I'm slightly. Oh, awesome, awesome, guys. Also, hydrate, guys. I'm also gonna hit a focus mode and get as much done as I can. Okay. Oh wait, that's the wrong mouse. Huh. Okay. Interesting. That's right. Oh, okay. I did. I did push it. Wait. Oh. Uh. Wait. Do I watch any funny videos over effects? God. I mean, I would just read to escape. I would read or knit. I have like one sock done, and I haven't finished my other sock. I've barely even started my other sock for knitting. Um, and then I watch YouTube. I like to watch YouTube commentary on influencers in the wild. Because even though I'm not on social media, it's thanks, Sparkly. Like seriously, is it actually today? You woke. Hey, is it actually? Is the question. I'm not actually. How do I? How do I? How do I check? No. What? I don't understand. I don't either. But what I pushed was not what I coded. Like, I don't understand how that happened, but apparently it did, so here we are. Like my mentor was like, yeah, if you fill in the empty files, and I was like, wait, what empty files? So I'm actually glad that she mentioned something because yeah, I didn't have any empty files, except I did apparently. I'm can you tell I'm a little bit like, oh. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure I still have my. Okay, no, did not come. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No soccer today? I don't know. Oh, for the few. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So I have half half of my code back. No, I'm not a soccer. Also, don't mind me. I am going to my dessert. It's from also like a month expired, but I might have forgotten about it. So also I may or may not have definitely had caffeine. Okay. Oh my gosh. Claude just gave me my code that I may or may not have. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll take it. We'll take it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I'll take this. I will take it. Okay. I know I'm on focus mode watching World Cup. Oh my gosh, thank you. Luckily, I know what I'm doing. Hi, Josh. Time's up. Let's go. Thanks. Why am I doing? Because why not? Who was it? Howling. Howling said it's the I forget what Howling said. Maybe if Howling's here, he can say what he said about Java. Basically, it'll set me up for a lot of jobs in the future. I remember correctly. Okay, so hi Tenche, welcome in. Yeah, I can only moderate in English. I don't read any other languages. So while I do understand that there are viewers who are not first language English, um, unfortunately, again, one, you speak a different language to me or to other people. I can't moderate. I can't read it. I can't. Not that. Don't or acknowledge that there are other languages than English. It is just for everyone's safety and the safety of my community. Wait, Howling is playing some dating simulator? Wait. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna message. And today, I do acknowledge that English may not be everyone or even a comfortable language, but I cannot confirm what people are saying um via chat. So I want to make sure that this is a safe space for everyone. So I do ask that you please speak in English. But I do see that bien is good and bonjour is hello. Oui, très jolie demoiselle. Je vous le dis. I'm sorry, I'm butchering it, but she said goodbye. Oh, okay. Oh, well, thank you. But yeah, I appreciate that. I do appreciate it. Okay, okay. I still. So how is everyone? Is everyone watching the World Cup? Oh, wait. You guys actually convinced him to play? Wait, is he streaming? Hold on. Is he streaming? He's not streaming. Yeah, he. Oh, he is. He is. Oh. I also like how his character has a leak code sweatshirt. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. So I may have looked this up and I don't want to spoil it, but I feel like it's not what people think it is. Oh man, I actually wish that I knew he was streaming. Oh no, he hasn't been streaming. Okay. Started after me? Oh no, started right before. Okay, I actually wish I knew he was gonna be streaming because then I wouldn't have streamed and I would have just watched him play the game. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. I can't believe you guys bullied him into it. Okay, I'm gonna hit another focus. Like, I really have to get. Okay, be right back, guys. That's funny though. Good job on bullying him into it. Not that bullying is good. Obviously. But yeah. sorry guys. You guys are getting to. Thanks for the follow, Key, Alex. I appreciate it. Riser, thanks so much for the reset. Appreciate it. Oh my. 37 months? Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm sorry. I keep going back to howling. I am I'm having a bit of a crash out right now. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. See, look, I'm smiling. I'm alive. I'm good. How are you? How are you? Okay. This teacup one. I love your two. I feel I'm actually doing some work because I lost all my work. I lost all of my work. So yeah. Yeah. Hi Isaac, yo, welcome in. I'm coding that you guys can't see, obviously. But yeah, so this is a co-working stream today, except not really a co-working because I'm talking a lot. So I want to say I remember, but I apologize. I do apologize. Um, my I'm pretty sure I have face. Like, I'm pretty sure. Give me an interesting fact about yourself and like we have a conversation. I can remember. Will I recognize you time I see you or whatnot? Probably not. But as soon as I realize who you are, I will be like, oh, I know. And name blindness. I didn't say just face blindness. I said name blindness too. Or okay. Well, hopefully I get to get to know you a little bit more. Um, I do that wrong. No, this is actually VS Code. Um, but like I said, I'm working on a different laptop today, and unfortunately, you guys can't see it. This was not a planned, not planned. I had opened VS Code and was planning coding something, and obviously once. So yeah. I seem happier. Oh, yeah, I think it's the caffeine. I think it's the caffeine, and also the non-stress. I rage. I, I'm hacking into the Pentagon. Oh, don't give away. Don't give me away. I call community bunny horde. Horde of bunnies. Like, because originally I was a WoW streamer, so Horde and Alliance, and I was on Horde side, so um yeah. Would you be surprised if I said I have any substances like true? Even smoking is I have not. I have tried alcohol before, but I am not um able to metabolize it. So what does teetotal? I am just a naturally bouncy person, okay? Okay? And also, it probably doesn't help that I have lots of sugar. Oh, okay, okay. You've tried smoking? Like, yeah, I've not even done hookah. So like, I've never like in anything. And then I also have not ingested. So yeah, would you do that? Hookah is just fan. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Everyone's always like, "Oh no, it's not." And I'm just like, "Isn't it tobacco still?" Like, isn't it tobacco? I thought it was flavored tobacco. Yeah, I think it has to do with like how much sugar and caffeine. Okay. You guys keep. I'm gonna see if I can't get this done in 30 minutes. What took me 4 hours? Let's see if I can get it done in 30. I'm not you. I mean, I guess I always joke that I am. Well, I'm not gonna say my age, but I am somebody stuck in a 90-year-old body because all of my bones hurt from skating. But you know, like I think I have a pretty outlook on life. Sometimes I can get pretty low. I hit focus. What is the it? Wait, what? Loading up. Interesting. Yeah, never smoked. Oh, my um work. Wait, did we talk about this, Riser? I'm a green. I'm such a granny. Honestly, I probably should have renamed myself Bunny Green or Granny Bunny. I'm also pretty sure I am the but I think I act like the most immature. I keep cutting out. Okay, I don't know why I keep cutting out. I wonder if like something happened with um my microphone setting. Oh wait, is this better? Okay, I might have accidentally turned it down. Yeah, I think I accidentally turned it down. Um like moving my yeah, I think I turned it down, moving my mic around. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna hit a focus mode. You guys get to look at the top of my head as I code. I apologize. You won't get to see what I'm coding, but you know, we're all here to hang out, right? We're all here to hang out. And I promise my hair is clean. I just washed it. I just washed it, so it is clean. Okay. You set. See you soon. Okay. my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm just struggling on syntax issues. Like, seriously. Wait. Why did that not... Stop and start build. Ugh! Okay. Talk you each time you start procrastinating? What? What? No, I do not. Hold on. Hold on. Hi, Snowy Scripts. Welcome in. Hi, Volta. Hold on. The co-working it was not supposed to be a co-working stream. Do I know? Something. Oh, I'm using IntelliJ right now on my laptop, but I don't have IntelliJ on my desktop, and I didn't really feel like installing it. So instead, I figured out how to make it compile in VS Code. Oh, what are you co-work what are you co-working? What kind of website are you working on? No. No. I think I'm in shock, to be honest, of all of my hard work gone. That's what I'm trying to figure out too. I think I did something in IntelliJ, which is also why I don't like IntelliJ. I think I did something when I was committing and might have accidentally reverted something. So it's okay. Except I'm on a Mac right now. So it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But I have to figure out why the test did not complete. Why did this not the... Why do I keep forgetting the N? I have to admit, guys, I am struggling with Java syntax. I am struggling with Java syntax. Hi, Mr. DevGhost. Welcome in. Yeah, I tried reflog. No, it didn't work. Arcly. That makes my brain hurt. Oh! Okay, my test cases are passing. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm not in a focus mode, but I am also kind of in a focus mode. Also, those semicolons. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Hold on. Okay. Hi, Seth. Oh, wait. Work. Work. What we building? Hey, have you heard back? Have you heard back? I definitely got ghosted because I basically sent them like, thanks for your time, but I've actually, due to the time constraints, accepted another job. Um, so I don't think I'm gonna be hearing back from them. That was like 3 days ago. But yeah, have you heard back? I was applying for apprenticeships. I actually am uh happily happily employed now. uh instant Oopsies. Okay. Are you new to coding? No. Well, sort of. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping my fingers crossed for you. Wait, what day did you hear back from them? Was it Wednesday? Like, did they email you and say, "Hey, let's set up a call?" Languages. Who are you responding to? I'm on YouTube at the same time. So I'm on YouTube and Twitch right now. So just a heads up, I'm not talking to myself, I swear. Thursday. What day did I get my email? Oh, I got my email on Tuesday. Oh my gosh. No. I think I see good news in the future for you. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Oh, I talk to myself all the time. I talk to myself all the time, but I don't actually no. I take that back. I do talk to myself on stream too. So me saying I don't talk to myself on stream doesn't really work. So yes, I do talk to myself a lot. It's like the rubber ducky. Okay? Okay? So we got there because you don't touch your hold on, hold on. Yeah, and then Josh, I would get fired. What? Oh. Hopefully it's a positive talking to, okay? Hopefully it's a positive talking to. Also, if you do get it, I am very curious as to how their program is. You know, like I do know that they pay way more, but at the same time, like their program is definitely built differently since they just throw you on a team right away. I'm also very curious what team you chose. So, what happens if the team you get put on is not remote and requires you to be hybrid? Oh my gosh, my Wait, what just happened? I know. So I updated my LinkedIn today and I didn't realize that it would post a notification. There's also one in SF. So I know that they have one in SF and one in Palo Alto. Okay, so they are remote for the apprentice. But if you transition into a full time, you might have to move. Is that what I understand? Or is it that they put that they might be hybrid, but then it's not actually the case? And would you want to visit the office ever? Also, my IntelliJ doesn't seem to be auto auto-filling, which is really annoying. Oh, I'm forgetting the test above all of these. Ooh, that's not good. But what about your family? Like, that's why I didn't consider like I know Southwest had an apprenticeship and I didn't consider them because you have to move to Dallas for that. Yeah, it's actually a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. I'm It's challenging, but you know what? That's okay. That's okay. Oh my gosh, this semicolons. Oh, thanks, Colt. Just a brute. Also, are you Riser? Are you still writing? Have you written anything recently? Okay, okay. Well, that's awesome that your wife is remote as well. And then also, if you do get the apprenticeship, one, are you going to do the practicum? Because I'm like, I haven't pulled out of the practicum yet. And honestly, like, I kind of don't want to because I really want to do it. But I'm also really worried since obviously I'm working late at night for this. And, um, I am human. um yeah, like if you get it, are you going to do the practicum? And then also, are you going to give up being a therapist as well? Oh no. I'm so sorry to hear that, Riser. I meant for the Python because you were doing the advanced track for Python, right? So you would be in the practicum right now. Like I know you finished the Node practicum or like the web dev practicum, right? What, Lua? I haven't. Okay, so I haven't actually read a lot recently either. I'm actually really sad about that. Okay, so we are going to act and assert. Wait, what? Why does it keep... Interesting. Interesting. Service. Something's wrong. No? Maybe? How to check some... Oh, see. Called I know. So I was planning on streaming me coding a short game in Java, except I may have accidentally committed a empty code and lost the code that I spent so hard working on for work, so I have to get that done really quickly. Regulus. I do not think that they won't need programmers in the next 10 years. I have been very consistent with my stance. Oh, okay. Microservices like AWS and everything? Thanks you code and are you employed in coding right now? I am. I can say that I am employed as a software engineer now. Sorry. I still can't believe it's real. I still can't believe it's real. But no, I don't believe that programmers are going to be replaced. I look at it this way. So AI is written by programmers, right? And yes, there are going to be project managers. Most people are going to be project managers. However, I think something that people keep forgetting is the top level software engineers didn't start out as software engineers. Like, yes, there are prodigies and things like that, but like basically there has to be juniors that are trained to become those seniors. If that there's no juniors being cultivated to mid-level, and then from mid-level there's no one moving up to seniors, at some point the well is gonna run dry. So like right now there's the whole idea of oh, we don't need junior devs, like AI can replace all that work. But then if you think about it, and I talk about this because it's very similar to with coaching figure skating. Like this is one thing that my boss taught me, like way back when I was like really stressing that I was a good coach, but parents talk and I kept having kids leave me, not because I was a bad coach, but because I trained them so well that they got to a certain level, and there was a reputation at my rink that basically, oh, once you became this level, you automatically went to this coach, even though it wasn't true. Because, like, I had a couple of kids who stayed with me, and, like, I brought them up through those levels. It's just parents talk, you know? But basically, like, the whole idea, if you think about, like, Olympic coaches, there's not very many Olympic competitors every 4 years, right? Everyone's dream is to go to the Olympics. Whether you are a skater, whether you are a coach, you are dreaming that you are going to be able to go to the Olympics. There's 3 women, 3 men, 3 pair teams on a good year for a country, right? Sometimes there's only 2. Um, and then there's 1 coach or maybe 2 coaches, you know? And that's the top, that's the pyramid. But if there's all of these Olympic coaches, thanks so much for the follow, aka FPS. um, and then that triangle or pyramid turns upside down. There's none of the beginners being filtered into the top or like being cultivated into the top. So it's very similar with software engineering, I feel like, and actually with any profession. So people keep talking about how we're going to replace all of the juniors and the lower entry level positions and things like that. But then who's going to take over the mid-level roles if there's no one being trained for it? You know, like, and I think that's one of the downsides that like some companies are starting to realize. Like they won't have like, and yes, software engineering is changing. I think you have to be a good prompter as a software engineer. You have to learn how to prompt. But even like talking with some of my mentors, like they are still very adamant that I learn the basics and that I also understand what I'm doing, like what the code is saying. Hey, Misty, I know, but at the same time, the companies are. Sorry, I should rephrase that. You need to know how to prompt to get the correct answer. So I'm not asking for code, but I am asking for explanations. Does that make sense? Also, how is England? And also, why are you on Twitch right now? You should be out having fun. Yeah, please go out and have fun. Please get off of Twitch. Go, go, go. Have fun. Okay. 6:30 a.m. or p.m. I don't remember the time difference. I'm sorry. But yeah, so the whole thing with oh my gosh, so early. So the whole thing with like Yes, would I prefer not to use AI? I will always stand by my preference is to not use AI. One, because I code because I enjoy it. I enjoy the act of coding. But at the same time, most companies are pushing towards having engineers be prompteers. I don't know how. I'm trying to make up a word. So to keep up, I definitely know I will need to learn how to, especially if I want to keep a job. But I do think that there will be a shift in how companies approach hiring junior positions, not even just software engineers, even like HR or like um marketing. Like I know a lot of those have gotten cut, or like graphic designers. I know a lot of those have gotten cut because of AI, but I think that there will be a shift because people will realize, "Oh, wait, we have no one to replace these mid-level, senior level people." Is it more? Hold on. So is it more like having extra skills of prompting as well as the skills? Yeah, so it's more like having the extra skills. So I think the whole idea of like vibe coders and stuff, part of the problem is a lot of people can code very, very, very quickly, but they don't understand. So there are a lot of people that can vibe code very quickly. They can look and debug the code very quickly as well. But I think majority of people right now, like the people that don't code, they are vibe coding. A lot of them don't know how to understand the code so that when they want to scale it, it doesn't unroll long code. Thanks, Nato. One was anti AI. Wait, no, that's interesting. That's really interesting in this day and age, Tristan. Like, I think I think there are companies that have a very holistic approach to AI, and there are companies that are just performative. Push toy, I get that. You don't see what as a bad thing. So, coding is a difficult um skill to learn. Um it is also a really fun skill to learn in my opinion. Um but yes, having a tool to write code is alluring, but you have to understand it. I think that's the thing. Like, okay. So, one of my gripes right now is there are an insane number of books out now that you can very clearly tell were either AI generated or AI helped write a majority of it. They there was one book I was reading, and these are published books, like because people can self-publish now, right? On Amazon, people can self-publish. So there was there was one book I was reading because it had good reviews. And like I'm all for indie artists, right? And I'm all for reading indie books, but like it's getting harder and harder to find good indie books because so many people are like just outputting all of this all of this 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 I don't remember what I was gonna say. But anyways, like I'm not even kidding you. The names in the book changed in the middle of the book. Like it and then they changed back. So I think at like a quarter of the point it changed. And then I was just like, wait, what? And then I at first I thought, oh, maybe it's an editing issue, but no, like halfway through it changed again. And I was like, what? How is it that an editor did not catch this? Where did I join? What do you mean, where did I join? And taking idea, so it helps. Yeah, but Voltic, you said you've gone further in this field. So you've already like put in the time to understand the code, right? So you getting that code from AI will still allow you to understand what AI is writing instead of having security issues. Yeah, and Voltic, I can see oh, I actually started as at Airbnb. Ema, hi, how are you? How's Pocket Watch? I have had a lot of caffeine and sugar. Oh, is my no, it's not. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, right? It's like I'm having a blast. I'm learning a lot. It's stressful, but like I'm not gonna lie. I may have cried because I feel like I'm gonna fail, but but yeah, we're going. Okay, sorry. I have like 7 more test cases to write. So hold on. Hybrid. Oh, the food looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get so fat. I'm gonna gain so much weight. Can I say that word? Actually, can I say FAT? I don't actually know, but yeah. And I'm gonna gain so I'm gonna gain so much weight. Is wrong. Oh wait. Riser. Hey, coding. If you ever visit the office, like okay, sorry. I'm getting ahead of myself. But if you get an offer and you ever visit the office where I am, like there's one right down the street, honestly, like yeah. We should compare notes. uh oh, you're so hungry. Get some food. As mess. Huh? Wait, what? Oh. Also, there's so many like small nuanced things. One failed. What is this? What test failed? Test. Yeah. Oh. I keep forgetting those semicolons. Oh, thanks, Regulus. I have to admit, I'm going to be on sporadically, and yeah, I know today no coding happened. I would love to code where you guys can watch, but I need to get this done. Oh my gosh, but no, I'm so certain that okay, knock on wood, knock on wood. I'm not gonna jinx you, but I am basing it off of the fact last year I didn't hear back from them for a long time. So the fact that you have a call set up is really exciting to me. Oh my gosh. Keeping my fingers crossed. Okay. I'm from the era where we could see some basic feature. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Uh Hi, Regulus. Okay, okay, okay. Am I an analyst? No, I could not be a data analyst. I could not be a data analyst. uh, oh my gosh, I keep forgetting. Yes. I do any solo endeavors by Python besides Python? I mean, I did the first class of Python 100. I also took random classes in at a local college just because I thought the classes sounded interesting. I've built a lot of random games, and then I helped prototype the plant game. Hi, Munis, because Java is hard, and I need to work on the the syntax. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. My contacts are really dry right now. Yeah, my contacts are really, really dry. Okay, so to become a software engineer. That is my end goal. I do know you have errands, but are you doing it's Oh, I'm currently writing Java. I'm learning Java. Mir, I don't think so. I mean, I think it depends on your company. Oh, that's inspiring. Why is that inspiring? That's a good thing? Or well, yes, inspiring is a good thing, but I'm curious why that's inspiring. But Mir, I think it depends on the company. Yeah. I think some companies it's a little bit performative. But some companies they are utilizing AI, but again, um the syntax. It's so much harder for me to remember all the different little nuances for Java. Python is too um there's so much freedom in Python. uh Make it easier. Um, I mean, I technically learned C, like the very bare minimum of C. Um, I would say I think Python was still a good language to learn first for me, just because like since I was self-taught, like self-motivated in the very beginning. Like yes, I took classes later on, but for the most part, like I think having it in a way that I could more easily understand. But then again, Java, I feel like if I had like the logic is pretty much the same. I think the logic is pretty much the same. So I don't know. Maybe learn both of them at the same time. um I do really like the fact that like with Java, I have to really understand the logic because there's less um libraries to help, built-ins to help. I am self-taught voltage. I am a career switcher. I was a what do you call it? I was a figure skating coach. Ah, that's awesome, Voltic. Yeah, I think definitely it's been a little bit harder for people to break into tech recently, but I do think it's still and I do think again that companies are gonna start realizing that they need to invest in junior. You were in construction beforehand? Oh, so are you self-taught too? Ooh, my kid, how did you end up in that position? Interesting. Okay, so oh, that's awesome. So for both you and Voltic, I know you guys can't see each other. Since one of you is on Twitch and one of you is on YouTube, but since you guys are both self-taught and career switchers or have been in the industry for a while, what is a piece of advice you would give somebody who is just starting out on their Oh my gosh, Voltic, that sounds like some gaming companies that I know. Hi, Tiffany. Hey, Voltaic. That's how I learned first, too. That's how I first learned, too. I did Minesweeper and Wordle without following a tutorial. Taking ownership of what you do. Okay. I you say it's painful. I really enjoyed it like that. My first code besides Leak Code 2 Sum, I didn't do 2 Sum until like 2 years after I started learning. No worries, Tiffany. Welcome in. You're always welcome here. That's funny. Uh, Automate boring stuff. Will that work? I heard that's a really good book. I heard that's a really, really good book. Also, yeah, I want to know, Tristan, Voltic, what language did you guys first learn and teach yourself? And then what language are you guys using now? Spanish and Spanish English. Wait, Spanish and Spanish. So like Spanish from Mexico and Spanish from Spain? Python was your first language, but now most of your projects are Go. Okay. No worries, Riser. Ah, next.js. Oh, CS TypeScript. Rust now. First learn Pascal. Russian, English, and wow. So many people who are multilingual. If we are counting MySpace, then yes. Yes, Tiffany, yes. It's like puzzles. So if you're not a puzzle person, then I don't blame you. Like, I feel like puzzles are something very personality based. Same with like writing and reading. Like everyone has their different interests, you know? And I feel like coding is very, very puzzle tips. But then I also applied to this. Oh wow. Yeah, I agree. I can't do tutorials. You started automating tedious parts of your life? Okay. I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. Okay, whoa. Okay, I need some. Do you think if you know one programming, I mean, Nito, I don't think you will learn the programming language or like you know the programming language right away, but I think the logic is very similar in most languages. So I think it's very similar to like how sentences are structured in different spoken languages, right? Like um most I think English might be. So there's a couple of languages that do like noun, like the verb first and then like two nouns or something like that, like where the sentence is structured differently. And then I think there's a couple of like programming languages like that, but I think for the most part, like logic itself, most programs structure is pretty, but you need to learn like the syntax and what has built-ins, and like with C, you have to think about memory management. And I have to admit, I didn't use a lot of like Python ready built-ins. Like I don't know half of the built-ins for Python, and like I learned Flask instead of Django. So oh no, Voltaic. Okay, well I am keeping my fingers crossed for you and I am cheering you on. Yeah, I had a friend who was laid off too. I think my kid is whimpering slash crying. Purring! Hi! Yeah, you should Musa. The Latin. Yes, I learned Latin in high school. But yeah, so I was like, I know I learned a language and it's not Chinese. But yeah, so like Latin structure is way different than English sentence structure. However, like verbs are still verbs, nouns are still nouns. It's like, so you have to learn how like that logic kind of, yeah. Yeah. HRs are stars. Wait, what are HRs? Oh my gosh, I made the same error on my last. These darn semicolons. uh How would I project this to HRs? Wait, what? What? I don't think I understood that. Oh my gosh, I forgot the app test again. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, Yusha, I had such a bad experience with my old people in your field. I agree. I think we should help each other. What just happened? Oh my gosh, why did I do that again? I did the exact same thing last time too. Interesting. It's like my brain short circuits. When was it? Semicolons. Wait, no. Hold on. Oh, oh, oh. Nope. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, and another semicolon. 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 Why is my code failing? Because I keep forgetting semicolons. I see, I'm doing something off screen. Nato, it's interesting though that HR would be interviewing you with that. Usually for like tech interviews, I feel like first you have like a technical. Yes. No. Yes. Wait. Yes. Okay. Okay. All of my. Okay. Let's try this again. Hi, Munas. Yeah, I know that HR has to check their boxes, but like usually with the tech stuff, do they interview about the tech stuff? I guess I haven't experienced that. Granted, I've only gone through 3 interviews, like cycles, so I can't speak much on it. Wait, do you have to create something? So, like, my experience is. No. Wait, I see what? So, my experience with, like, doing like, even online assessments. Okay, again, I can't speak on the fact that I've only had, like, what, 6 or 7 online assessments slash moving on to interviews are even less, but all of my like online assessments and interviews I've done, I've been allowed to choose the language I wanted to put in. So that's why I think I'm a little bit confused about um yeah. Yeah, I so both room and not the same but close enough for the purposes. Thanks for the Alayusha. Hi Ayu. Okay. Ooh, no. Okay. Make errors in code and fix it a broken language when talking to. I agree to an extent. I feel like if there is a language, I'm going to use the word barrier. If there's a language barrier and two people are speaking in different languages, and they understand and they are empathetic and they are compassionate that each one is not the first language, I would hope that the people speaking together are mature and emotionally aware enough to realize that there might be some miscommunication and not to just be like rawr. If that makes sense. All to talk. What was it? Was it like, so I know like English is industry standard. I could be mistaken, but I thought like at least when I first started learning that English um was like what people program in. But wasn't it like recently that China started programming in Chinese characters? Yeah, I think you can. So, have you guys heard that? And this is like what I was always curious about, even like a couple of years ago. Like, I've heard that basically AI is like the all of the stuff that they're being trained on now is AI generated because there's so much AI generated data and images and info out there now. So, yeah, that's they wrote C in French? What? Wait, what? Just aliasing. Or AI language variant. IOC. I don't understand what that means. Perhaps no. I don't think I understand what that means. Mike, I went over this earlier, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. We're hoping that this actually works now. Okay, so I don't think that it will because AI is written by programmers, right? And the whole thing with failed to push. I really hope that this doesn't take away my hold on. Okay. Um I'm so sorry, Tensei, but English, please. Okay. Sorry. So so I don't think it's going to take over coding jobs because the whole thing is senior developers will retire, especially if the senior developers are becoming millionaires. um but senior developers will retire. And who is going to replace those senior developers? There needs to be a talent pool that is being cultivated. I'm going to use that word again because I can't think of another word. That is cultivated and help and taught and given the experience to be able to grow into the mid-level, and those mid-levels have to be given op um the ability to grow into senior roles. So like if we replace all the junior roles, who's gonna take over when all the seniors retire? you know you know I'm scared. I'm scared. It's telling me to rebase. Okay, when I'm stuck. Yeah, I think if you use AI to um, help explain, I think you'll definitely learn. Wait, what's a reasonable effect next quarter? Thanks so much for the follow, Miss Nav. Wow. Okay. Okay. I have an eye condition that my eyes actually shake, but hold on. What just happened? Oh my gosh, what just happened? I saw encoding lysine and then you. That's awesome. Drinking if you want. What? I think I'm in Vim. But yeah, like, oh, did it work? Did it work? Did it work? Oh, I really hope it worked. I will be so sad. I will be so sad if. Okay, okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, okay. 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 Okay, we're good. We're good. Did it? Yes, it did. It did. We're good. We're good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. Let me just make sure one more time that this works. No worries. Have a good night. And it did work. Yeah, I had to rewrite a bunch of files today. But that was my fault, I think. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Successful. Successful. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh my. And then all the tests. Wait, why did my build not? Oh my gosh. Why did that not? I swear it was running. I swear my test was running. It was running. Why is it failing now? Also, why did that get added back in? Okay. No. Ugh. Uh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Either Joyce on or nothing can change it. I don't feel like it. It was on Java, wasn't it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. What is going on right now? And then also, where's my... Oh, wait. Why is there another... Hold on. Hold on. Why am I having random, like, stuff added? Okay, there we go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Sorry. Wait. No, she changed this one character. No. It was cause I rebased and remember how I committed and it was like not the right code and something happened, something weird happened. Yeah. Yeah. So everyone says that except it doesn't work if GitHub has the wrong code on it and doesn't have my old code. So yeah. Oh, my computer isn't happy with me right now. What is going on? Um, excuse me. Yeah, I rewrote it. I rewrote it. Okay, this will be faster just typing it out at this point. Then. Okay. Failed. What? Oh my god. I really dislike it. Oh, okay, anyways. As long as no one else under- Wait, what? Hold on. I think I missed something. Wait, what? Again. Is that Red Hat Java? Wait, what? I'm so confused as to what is going on right now. Hold on, I have conflicts. I don't understand how I have conflicts. Okay. Changes to be committed. Okay. I won't be scratch with no libraries. Wait, why? Why do you say that, Azure? Should technical interview be a whiteboard or IDE? I mean, I think it kind of depends on what they are looking for. Because if there should just be in person, I think I agree with that, Turi. I think I agree with that a lot. Okay, let's try this again. Wait, did it freaking add the DAO again? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Then you've said you know, then you that you said you don't know. Hold on. The concept, I don't. The code that hasn't changed this entire stream. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, wait, where did my... Oh my god. 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 Ugh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Holy crap. What is going on right now? Okay. Hold on, guys. We're... Okay. Okay. Everything else falls like Minecraft? I don't want to suffocate. I know the concept. I can still... Yeah, I would say like you can know multiple languages. So I would say that I know JavaScript, but I wouldn't feel comfortable doing that, using that in a technical. So I would use Python. Oh, thanks, Maru. I appreciate it. Ignore the VS Code in the background. I'm actually working on a laptop. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I have to make sure that my code runs again. Okay. Anything but Java. Anything but Java, why? Okay. So okay. Doesn't hold on. Anything but Java. Then explain what that is. There's handwriting. Yeah, I'm still confused about what like your experiences. Like it sounds like you might have interviewed with a company that was not necessarily well versed in what they wanted. Like yeah, like it cuz HR like makes sure that there's all the T's are crossed and I's are dotted, but I think the hiring managers are usually the ones, or else there's like a panel. Depending on the company and the size, there's usually a panel, or else there's like a hiring manager outside of HR that makes the decision. Right? Yes. Test pass. Oh my gosh. It won't let me force a push. Oh my gosh. Well, C++ is an interesting combination. What's up? Hi. How are you? I really, really, really hope that just that was so bad. That was so bad. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's midnight. Oh my gosh. Wait, Okay, hold on, guys. I'm trying to squash now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Uh, oh, I'm learning something. I'm learning something. Hey. Wow, this was so bad. Everything is, all we have to do is play Lego with it. How many times? Wait, what? Why are you in the middle of the screen? Because I'm working on a laptop today and I can't show you. Not squashing. Okay. Okay, and then oops. Oops. Rosie. Oh. Okay, sorry. How many times? Sorry, Nato. Wait. What? The price is. My task for today is not losing my mind. Oh my god. Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. Anybody know how to delete things quickly in Vim? gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. How quickly are we talking? Hold on. I think I'm I think I'm like my brain is like stalling right now because I swear I think I'm talking and I'm saying stuff and then like I'm not even remembering what I'm saying 5 minutes later. Okay. Ape. W. Okay. Okay. Rebasing. Wait, wait. Why are you asking me to do this again? Oh, okay. Okay, so let's see. It's easy. Okay, how do I you wait, no, I don't want to quit. I want to delete blocks of lines that are already in there. That are already in Vim, not the entire thing. Oh my gosh, I'm screwing up. Okay. 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 Use visual mode. Wait. Capital D for the file. Show what you're trying to delete. I lost all my code. I had to rewrite some files. I had to rewrite a lot of files. I'm not trying to code in Vim. It's for the commit message. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. Oh god. Okay. I only have 2 kids now. Okay. We're good. Okay. Oh, let me make sure that my Code still runs. Okay, that's successful. Okay, let's make sure my tests still run now. Okay, we're good. We're good, guys. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. I'm good. I'm good. This was so bad. Oh wait, hold on. Let me actually hold on. Sorry. Thanks, Turn. I think I'm losing it. Okay, I think I'm just really excited. I think I'm just really excited. I'm done. I'm done. And my code is here. And oh my god, that was so bad. That was so bad and so stressful. Never again. Never again. Uh, okay. Closing this. Okay, I figure it was a good like refresher because basically like one of my worries one of my worries is writing test cases, right? And I lost all of my test cases. Oh. Ta-da! Had to rewrite it. That was awesome. No, never again. Never again. Okay. Okay though. That was so bad. I need to go. Okay. No. Here's the deal, guys. Obviously, this didn't happen today. Obviously, the code behind me did not happen. I wanted to write a game just to brush up on syntax for Java. Obviously that did not occur. But yeah, so I'm gonna go sleep. Actually no, I'm probably gonna doom scroll and read for like 2 hours. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me as this was a completely scuffed stream. Honestly, like I was planning on coding on stream today where you guys could see, but then I got a message that was like, "Oh yeah, if you hash out those empty files, it should be good." And I was just like, "Empty files? What?" And then I looked at my code that got pushed, and then I looked at and then I looked at my code that was on my IntelliJ, and yeah, that's how I lost code. I don't know. I think like because I was trying to add things through the IDE instead of through terminal, um, the I might have hit something that I didn't realize, and yeah, so ta-da! You have an idea for me? What's the idea? What's your idea? I can't spell right now. Okay, so we both hold on. Uh, past whoopsies experience for both of us. Wait, what? We impose these on each other's. I don't think I understand what you mean. I'm sorry, Nato. Like I honestly have no idea what you mean. Okay, I don't know if I really want to raid. Hey, Ayu. Yeah, Java. See. I don't know if I want to raid Howling. His doesn't look like a very wholesome stream right now. Oh, I just rewrote my code. I think that's also why I'm laughing so much, because I feel like if I'm not laughing, I'm gonna be crying about it. Yeah, apparently, according to Sparkly, they bullied them. They bullied him into it last night. Next day your code isn't. I don't even know what that is, so we'll take it. We'll take it as it comes. Okay. Yeah. What am I doing? We've been peer pressuring? Okay, wait. Wait. uh Okay. Yeah, I think I was just laughing so much and so hyper because honestly, I think if I wasn't, I would have gotten really frustrated and cried. So, hey, look, I can look at the bright side of things. I look at it as it was a learning experience. One, I won't do that again. Actually, I don't even know what I did, so I might do it again. But hopefully next time, if I do it again, I will realize I did it before I commit it. So yeah, and then commit often. So or else stash. Is it stash or commit? Commit often? Yeah, I think it's commit often without doing the pull request. Um, and then yeah. Are we turning Halle Folly? Is he choose his own name? Wait. Oh my gosh, I just realized he changed his name back to Howling. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, but for reals, guys. For reals. Okay. The spiel. So if you haven't hit that heart yet, this is for both. This is for both YouTube and Twitch. If you haven't hit that heart yet, make sure to hit it, especially if you enjoyed this scuff chaotic like energy. There's more where this came from. Yeah, so make sure you either follow if you're on Twitch or subscribe if you're on YouTube. Also, if you're on YouTube, if you enjoyed this or if you just feel really sorry for me, thumbs up. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't need any pity thumbs up. But yeah, I appreciate you. I appreciate you all. You guys are amazing. As I stated, um, as I stated, I don't know how consistent I'll be able to stream. Um, Honestly, like this past week, I've been studying really late. Um, but because I have finished my first project, I feel like I can stream a little bit. So, you are sorry. Yeah, if you feel bad for me, give me a thumbs up. I'm so kidding though. I'm so kidding. No, please don't. Please don't. But yes, if you enjoyed this content, thumbs up. Um, but fun. Sorry, I'm distracted. Um, yeah, so I will try. I will try. I wanna learn Java a lot more comfortably. I wanna be a lot more comfortable with the syntax and not forgetting these darn semicolons. But I really appreciate you. Also, I haven't even started the raid message, so I also don't remember how to stream apparently. Raid follower, raid sub. Okay, we're going to, who are we gonna raid? Is there anybody else? Okay, so we can either raid productive time or I'm programming in, oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to use Windows again. I need a not switch between Windows and Mac. I'm programming in Java now. See, look. Main.java. Okay, let's raid Howling cuz he got bullied yesterday, so let's send him some yeah. Bye, Rython. I hope you're doing well. I was hoping you were going to be streaming, but actually, no, you normally stream during the day. Actually, no, I don't even know at this point. Okay, but I really do appreciate you all. Have a good night. I will maybe be back tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see. I would like to. I would like to be back tomorrow, but we'll see. Okay, bye guys.